Hey everybody, I'm Elka and I'm here to tell you a little about entertainment, language, culture, and adventure in different spots of Brazil. And this morning, we hit the road very early to visit one of the most visited and most famous pilgrimage routes in the country. Come with us to this tour. Today we're driving to start the Caminho da Fé. Caminho means way, path, road, and fé means faith. The Caminho da Fé was officially established in 2003, and we're starting it in Águas da Prata, São Paulo. It takes 320 kilometers to get to Aparecida, and we divided our trip in 2 days. Our Lady Aparecida is the patron saint of Brazil, and the Caminho da Fé takes millions of pilgrims to this road in search of faith strengthening, contact with nature, and self-discovery. We're taking this road by car, but most of the people take it by bike and some people even walk all the way to the Basilica of Aparecida, walking for 10 to 14 days. It's important to highlight that in case you decide to drive there, it's highly recommended to use a four-wheel drive car. And it isn't possible to get to the top of some of the hills in case it rains, no matter what car you're driving. The Caminho da Fé consists of sections of dirt road, paved roads, trails through farms, and railroad tracks passing through municipalities in the states of São Paulo and Minas Gerais. Throughout the way, there are small chapels built by people who received miracles or are just grateful. In them, there's usually a sign telling the story behind that building. In some of these chapels, there's a stamp which is used to prove that you have been to that point. So, as you get to Aparecida, you get a certificate of pilgrimage. It's important to mention that throughout the way, it's not necessary to worry about the right direction or your GPS or maps. The road has yellow arrows to indicate where you should go. There are also signs indicating the distance to the end of the road in kilometers. So the best experience is to take off your phone and watch all the views and the opportunities the way has to offer. One of the most striking and well-known cures in Caminho da Fé took place in kilometer 100. A pilgrim diagnosed with leukemia decided to set out the journey against her doctor's advice. There, she suffered severe bleeding. After falling asleep peacefully and waking up with the bleeding stopped, she completed the journey. Upon her return, subsequent tests confirmed that she was cured of the disease. Another known story is about a little girl who was blind. After hearing about the saint's miracles, she asked her mother to take her to the church. As they neared their destination, at a point along the way where it was possible to see the chapel atop the hill, the girl gazed at the horizon and exclaimed, "Look, Mom, the saint's chapel!" And her sight was recovered. The Caminho da Fé ends at the Basilica de Nossa Senhora Aparecida. It is the largest temple dedicated to Mary in the world. The basilica welcomes between 10 and 12 million visitors every year. In the basement of the Basilica, there's the Room of Promises, or Sala das Promessas, a 1,300 square meter space which houses thousands of objects left by devotees in gratitude for miracles they have received. Some of the most traditional items include about 70,000 photos affixed on the walls and ceiling of the space, crutches, wheelchairs, and casts symbolizing the healing of illnesses, work uniforms, helmets, tools, and even lab coats representing achievements and employment. I hope you liked this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more about Brazil's countryside with Elka. See you!